Thank you for stopping by. Today's recipe is on how to cook ofada rice. Welcome to our channel. Please subscribe for more recipes. Thank you. And for today's recipe, we'll be using ofada rice, salt, and vegetable oil. So let's start with the first process, which is the washing part. I'll pour my ofada rice into a bowl of water and I'll start washing with my hands. Ofada rice is quite dusty, so it takes a lot of patience. But let's talk about the fun facts concerning ofada rice. Are you ready? Oh, ofada rice fun fact. Number 1. Ofada rice is grown in Nigeria. Yes, and it is delicious, trust me. And secondly, ofada rice has very high fiber content, which is actually good for you. It helps digestion. Then it is low in calorie, which is also good for anyone who is watching his or her weight. Oh, plus it helps reduce cholesterol. And I have to tell you, it is gluten free. I'm giving you so many reasons why you should eat ofada rice. Plus, it is high in antioxidants. So, this is my 4th time of washing my ofada rice. Yes, 4 times. Well, as you can see, the water is a bit clear, which is cool, which is nice, and this is what I want to achieve. So, it's time to cook. But first, I need to clean my cooking surface. Now I'll pour some water in my pot. I'm going to be adding more than enough water. There's a reason. Next, I'll add my vegetable oil and some salt. Then the washed ofada rice goes in at this point. By the way, have you subscribed yet? Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So I'll stir it properly and cook my rice until it is soft. Now I don't mean the mushy kind of soft, but I mean soft. Well, ofada rice is ready. It is soft and this is what it looks like. So it's time to drain the excess water. I'm pouring my rice into a basket, as you can see, just to separate the rice from the water. At this point, my house is already fragrant. So for those who are familiar with ofada rice, they know that ofada rice has a peculiar smell. Well, ofada rice is ready and I will be enjoying it with my ofada sauce. For ofada sauce recipe, check it up there. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.